Hi guys, my name is Sahil and today I want to share my experience with you of a flight from London to Mumbai. It was an evacuation flight from Air India. It was the third phase when I got the tickets, luckily, because they have made it online this time. Hi guys, my name is Sahil and I'm studying in UK in the University of Hertfordshire. I'm pursuing my master's degree over there. Recently, I have traveled to India in a flight of Air India, which was an evacuation flight. So I want to tell my experience and I want to share my experience with you guys, so that many people out there who are stuck there in the UK, they will get an idea of what to do and what to not, to how to book tickets and what the journey is like and what the quarantine thing is. So I want to share a little experience with you. uh, Luckily I have got tickets, but many people are still stuck there because of the limited seats, and I think many people are stuck there in the UK. They want to come back and they are willing to come back to India, and they're still looking for tickets because the phase is still going on. um, at first I got a call on 8th of May for 9th of May flight from Mumbai, from London to Mumbai, but at that time I rejected that call because I was not willing to travel at that time because my assignments were still there, my semester was going on, I had exams pending. So I rejected that opportunity, and after that, I did not receive any call from Air India or Indian Embassy. So I just waited for their call, and I re registered myself in the Indian Embassy, and I was waiting for their call because I have called Air India. They have told me that they will call me if there is an opportunity in the third phase. Sorry, in the second phase, but I did not receive any call, and luckily they have made it online for the third phase, and I have got the tickets. My ticket was my flight was on 15th of June, and I landed on 16th in Mumbai. Flight was a normal flight. Actually, it was the first time that I have traveled with Air India. I have traveled with British Airways. I have traveled with Qatar Airways. So this was the first time, first experience in Air India. The flight was kind of normal, but some things were changed. Like the air hostess will not come to you and serve you. The meal boxes, the snack boxes will be already given to you on your seats, and a kit, I will say a protective kit, in which there will be a hand sanitizer, there will be face mask, and there will be a sheet that you have to wear during the flight. My experience was okay, not that good and not that bad either. It was a night flight, and night time I have at the night I have traveled, so it was okay experience for me, not that good, not that bad either. After that, when I land, yeah, there was one layover in Delhi. It was for 1.5 hours approximately. So basically the passengers that were who have their final destination as Delhi, they just went out of the plane, and the passengers whose final destination was Mumbai, we were still there, and it was 1.5 hour approximately the layover. After that, when I reached Mumbai, till the luggage collection everything was normal, but after that there was a little chaos happened with me because there were 5 to 6 queues in which I have no idea, because my final destination was Nagpur, and no one had the idea that in which queue I should be there for the Nagpur as my final destination. So there was a little miss understanding between the people, because the people that were sitting over there, they they themselves have no idea that which queue is for which region. So that thing happened with me, and they at a time they were pressurizing me to select a hotel for the quarantine if I want to get quarantine in Mumbai, and I was not able to decide because they were not telling me which queue it was for the Nagpur. So I just got confused over there. But yeah, luckily then things happened, and I just finally decided a hotel which was near to the airport, and I get quarantine there. So this was the custom thing that you have to do. After that, they have an arrangement. uh, we have to just tell you hotel, and they will arrange a bus for you. They have said this, that they will arrange a bus for you at the airport, and then they will drop you to your hotel or any government institution wherever you are going to get quarantine. But I just waited there for 1 hour, and I did not get any call that please come, that your bus has arrived. But after 1.5 hours maybe, the bus has arrived. But the bus was an ST bus. So if I would be alone with no luggage, that would be fine with me to go. But but the bus was an ST bus. So if I would be alone with no luggage, that would be fine with me to go. But I had my luggage, which made it literally impossible for me to go in that bus provided by them. Then what I did is, I did not go in that bus. I just called to the hotel manager, the hotel which I have selected. They have given a number over there, so I just called to the hotel manager, and they have arranged a cab for me of the hotel, and they have came to pick me up, and then I just went with them by their cab to the hotel. In the hotel, it was a 5-star hotel though, the Hotel Orchid in Mumbai. It was near to the airport, so I selected that. The hotel experience was good. It was all inclusive, like you will get your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it was nice. Like the taste of the food was same kind of. So we have to spend 7 days there. So 3 to 4 days it was fine, but at the 5th day it was literally like, oh, why am I eating this food? But I had no other option, because you can't order food from outside because it was so strict. Even I was not allowed to go in the lobby for call. We just have to sit there in the room for 7 days. Your food will be given to you. So experience was okay. It was, as I said, it was not that good, not that bad either. uh, Regarding any useful information or tips, I will say, when you reach India at the Mumbai airport, what happened with me is, you have to first of all you have to download the Arogya Setu app, and you have to show them that you have this app. You have to register it with an Indian number. So if you don't have an Indian number, it is still fine. If you have someone with you or any relatives over there, just make sure that it will be an Indian number to get an OTP itself. So I had an Indian number already with me, so I just got an OTP on that number, and I just registered on that app. So it was a smooth procedure, but actually I was so tired, because the journey was so hectic, and it was so tiresome. So I was feeling little frustrated at that time. Moreover, all the ACs were off in the airport, because I think of the COVID thing, they have made all the ACs off in the airport. So yeah, this was my experience from London to Mumbai. So regarding the luggage, I will say they have allowed 2 bags of 23 kgs each. So this will not be a problem, because as Air India have more luggage allowance as compared to British Airways or Qatar Airways, I will say. So that will not be a problem. So yeah, this was my experience of the flight. Yeah, and one more thing, that there will be no entertainment means over there, like in the flight, like TV, or you cannot watch TV or movies like that as in a normal flight it is. So moreover, the air hostess will not come to you. You have to just, if you have any queries or any difficulties, you have to go to the cabin and then tell the air hostess that I have this problem. Just like there were no water beside my chair, so I just went to them and I just said that, yeah, I don't have water over there, so they just gave me the bottles. uh, so these are the things that make this flight a little bit different than the normal one. Moreover, there were no blankets, so I will suggest you must keep a blanket or any duet with you if you can, like, because in the flight, if you feel cold, you will just feel miserable over there, because there were no blankets in my flight. So I will suggest you to take a blanket with you if you can in the cabin bag. So this was my experience of, yeah. And about the quarantine thing, on the fifth day you will go through the COVID test, and on the seventh day you will get your results. Basically, you have to just tell your manager or whoever is there in charge in the hotel that please do my COVID test as early as possible, so that you can book your flight. So this was a small experience that I have shared with you guys. I hope that you will find it useful, and you will be able to understand what to do and what to not during the journey, before the journey, and after the journey. So if you have any questions regarding this journey, whatever questions or queries you are having, you can just ask me in the comment box. You can just comment that. I will just answer all of your questions as possible as I can. Thank you, guys.